Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hey guys.
Getting married
Hey guys.
This week.
Sorry.
This is our electable best man. And this week is his wedding on Thursday. Baby, you can carry your head. Why is my man like this? His wedding is on Thursday.
Yep. I feel fulfilled.
You just got back, yeah? You just got back.
It's not even that deep.
You guys remember this guy from our wedding video? You guys that they hooked up. You didn't marry the person they hooked him up.
I did not marry that person. I didn't marry that person.
But he has brought us one worry spray.
He says
what's that
spray.
accent, babe? What's that? Babe, why you do that?
It's in it.
Delectable in it, lady that he wants to come and marry in Nigeria. So you just got in when?
Just came back a few hours ago.
He just got in. They just all got in. Plus the bride, plus the groom.
His parachute we used to come down here. Sorry.
Anyway, babe, what are you doing behind there? It's going to be lit this week. I'm going to bring you guys along. You're going to see all the feferities of the wedding. So stay tuned. Don't be a slacker. So guys, this is Toyosi, my sister. Got to be out. This is a makeup artist. You knew I was coming. You knew it.
I didn't know.
Anyway, so we're here gisting Sunday evening. She just finished her birthday photo shoot.
Don't tell them.
Why? When do you know that? When do you know that the video is going up?
I plan to make a grand announcement.
Yeah.
You don't have
on my birthday that.
Why so mean?
Wow. Low blow, man. Shots fired. So when are you guys coming to do the sister tag? Everybody's asking. That one. There were too many people.
I mean, I'm ready.
All of us at the same time. So when are you guys coming? Why are you people laughing? Talk, I like your pants. They're so nice. I'll tell you this dress. You all look so. What are you doing? MUA. No, stop. What kind of nonsense is that? Anyway, we're just here just in Sunday evening.
Hi guys, my name is Toyosi.
They know
you all have been wanting to meet me.
Wow.
Know who I am.
Wow.
Who you are? Who you are?
Who are you? Who you are?
You can't even know. My identity is Tony on you.
Tony on you. That's the. I don't find it funny anymore.
Oh man, your identity is just
Tony on me. Oh, Tony on you. Talk where please go and give me the remaining.
Please, thanks.
Is this still?
Because you're on video.
It's a lie, man. She can send you on the normal deal.
Thank you.
Hello guys, how are you today? So we're up to work and we're late because amen, but really you guys don't even want to do the time. But we don't let me focus. Please let me ask him if the girl has collected the clothes and the key.
Has she collected the nylon? She don't come. Okay.
Thank you. So yeah, we were supposed to film a video this morning.
I'd had my bath, I dressed up, sat by the chair.
No, that's not true.
And waiting, like I was waiting, guys. I was waiting.
That's not true.
Guys,
but to be fair, it was my hair that took time today. To be fair, if I still feel up to it after work, if you still feel up to it after work, we will. See, it's me that is now rushing this man. I wanted to take a picture this morning. I said, I was doing like this, I said, come close now. That means they rush you. Anyway, so yeah, just to pop in here and wish you guys a nice day. This week, like I said yesterday, is our best man's wedding. The Lagos leg, then the London leg is next week. Are you going to be vlogging the London leg for the people?
I could.
Yeah, you should. Because I'm not going, but he's going. So it's going to be lit, but we're going to hold it down come Thursday here in Las Gidi. Anyway, SMH for you too. If there's anything worth vlogging before then, I'll definitely share it. So you guys should give me a thumbs up. You see, I'm trying. Even though I'm on my way to work, I'm still vlogging, still gisting with you guys. So we are family. O'Shea hype man, so quality. Give them. What's that dance you want to talk about we were doing yesterday? It's not Lego, the one that she said you were doing side and you were doing front.
I don't know what they call it. You know, children of nowadays.
Alright guys, I'll see you later. Can she
Just one. Just what she pushes
Give instructor.
Do you know that they said that to get you the backpack, I have to push up and press up? I can't do any of it.
She can only push up. After that one, you have to come back next week.
Wow.
That's a lovely ball. That's a lovely ball.
Okay, do this.
Good thought. Good thought. Thank you. Thank you.
I can't do that either.
Thank you.
Hey, PG.
Why are you making all this one? Stop laughing.
Oh my God, Tommy, why? You are the baby of the house. You are too fast.
I can't. I know with time to get better. With time. Let's get better.
Don't mind them, it's true to get better. Just keep doing
I
it.
do one thing I can do. What can you do?
Leg walk.
I can zap.
That's cool. Let me see.
And it's still exercise, it's still part of the
I
exercise.
see, it's just that.
But it will not burn your back, man.
It will burn calories.
But man kill it. That was that cool. This was the gym rat. Give them. Hey, PG. Well done.
Please don't tell me how to send family group.
It's on YouTube.
I can't believe you say that.
Okay, now.
It's not competition. There's no first prize.
Hey guys, we are off to the OOFA wedding. There's a car coming, babe. Can you guys tell I'm excited? Today is the wedding. See the assistant best man. Are you assistant best man?
You're assistant best man.
Well, yeah, like assistant best man because Wale has a brother.
There's no
Anyway,
assistant best man. There are two best men. That's all.
there are two best men. Oh my God. Anyway, so we're leaving the island now. We're actually super late. Our plan was to get them for 8. You saw it. I mean, you heard it. But then we're leaving now. And we're going straight to the groom's hotel where the bride will also be. And so my makeup will be done there. I've called my makeup artist. She's meeting me there. This time it's not my sister. The one who did my wedding makeup actually is meeting me at the hotel. And I'll show you guys. I'll do my makeup, wear my dress, and let us go and rock this party. I'm looking forward to it because, you know, Ashwabi ladies are going to be repping the laces by Souls, of course. I'm excited. Even the Yawo, our second outfit is laces by Souls. The groom, his second outfit is laces by Souls. The bride and the groom's mom is laces by Souls, you guys. So, my excitement.
So to take over.
I don't know how to be street like you. I'm sorry. But anyway, yeah, that's the situation report. I'm just excited. Really, really excited. So let's go. Are you actually on the go?
Good morning, sir.
Because he does that a lot. Tries to interrupt me with funny phone calls. Yes, so we're going now. I'm excited. My brother is getting married. See you guys. Let's go to Ikeja for the OOFA wedding 2019. Shall we? Why are you blushing?
Johnny, that's my name, not Johnny. My name is Johnny.
It's the same thing. Johnny, Johnny. Are you blushing? So Johnny. I know you can call me later. Me, I'm already your lover. Sing for me now. What's a heart without a beat? Baby, you are the You bring me joy. Nobody loves you more. Oh baby, you are the formula, yo. No one compares you more. No one compares you more than me. If I know that you, it's like a song without the light. It's like a sing for me now.
I don't really know song.
Get you. It's like fate without a leaf. It's like a heart without a beat. What's a heart without a beat?
Her shoes are in there. Whichever one's going to go, put the earrings, please. In that bag.
See, pengness, guys, pengitude. After you finished work on this. So we're going.
500 and 1,000.
Hey.
Are you feeling yourself?
I'm feeling myself.
Yeah. My brother was like, is that the lady I collected the clothes from? I said, it's the lady. I was looking at her face. I said, yes, so it's her.
Oh, that's your cousin that came to visit twice.
Yeah, that's her there now. Hello? That's her.
I like this one. I haven't known.
That's her, the one with the purple. Yeah.
She was so mad at me the second time.
See you later.
Alright.
Hey, sister. Hide my ginger.
Look at all your fine.
Well, thank you so much.
Beautiful.
You look amazing today. This is your dress.
I came prepared.
My
you know
God.
who is getting married.
My God.
Hello.
My God.
You very see your wife. I don't have to
I've not
hype
seen
her.
her. I've not really seen her.
Vlog me, bye.
Oboloju. Oh yeah. Why is that?
You guys did vlog,
You
man.
know, press
You know that's how we dey go. We getting
boy.
married.
Yeah.
All 2019, staying
Who's getting
friends.
married?
Business.
You be exactly. It's your turn. It's
Find me
your own, I
wife.
want to-
Even I find me wife, I go marry. That is the major problem of everything.
That's your own business.
If I find wife,
That's okay. This is the groom's brother. In it. No, it's not in his own. His own is what's the Aki's own? In it is to London.
in it is international.
In it is to one. So
International.
single girls get in here. Even though I know somebody that will break in people's heads. Fine. You look gorgeous. Y'all need love, I know.
One time, ladies and gentlemen, say, "Swallowing for you." Yeah, this is dedicated to you. Baby girl, you find yourself done.
Can you guys tell how tired I am? I'm so tired, but we just got home and I am so happy for how today went. That's how they got married traditionally. I don't want to talk too much, but it was so fun. Thank you, Tola, for my makeup. I love it. My gilly, everybody loved it. Next week is the London leg. Like I said, PG is going. I begged him to see if he can vlog. It certainly won't be vlogging his stay in London, but even if it's just the wedding day, he should help me to take 1 or 2 videos. Do you think you'll be vlogging it?
Yes, no. I'll try my best to.
I already said it because he'll be busy. But I mean, if he does, I'll still add the clips. Let me end the vlog here and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. See ya. Bye.
Got to turn it on.